everyone, my name is Mike Sherry. I'm with Paul Sherry Used Cars, and we just took in this stunning 2020. This is a Ram Crew Cab half-ton pickup truck, four-wheel drive. It's in the beautiful Hydra Blue, one of my favorite colors they put on these trucks. It's got a lot of nice equipment. It is a Laramie, so it's going to be near top trim level for the Ram pickup. So you're going to get leather seats and a ton of really awesome options. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started here. So coming up here, it's got the nice clear windshield. I always like to look for cracks and things, rock chips, and I don't see any up there. It does have the Hemi. I believe it is also the eTorque Hemi, which is a mild hybrid system. Got the simulated vents in the hood as well. LED lights up front there. Front parking sensors is really nice to have, and this truck has it on the truck. Helps you in getting in those tight spots. Fog lights also down low. I love the blacked out grille against that blue, really looks good. Coming down here, it has Ram alloy wheels. I like the paint scheme on the wheels. They're 20-inch. Tires show to be really good shape. A lot of tread left on those tires. Notice how the backs of the mirrors are painted to match the rest of the truck, as well as the door entry handles. Has aftermarket running boards, which are really nice. Got a nice footprint here for your foot, so you can get in and out a little bit easier. So come in the back. Got leather trimmed seats. This will actually pull down. You got a little center console, a couple beverage holders here. It does have the Ram storage box down here, which is nice. This is your front license plate cover here, but this will actually pull out, and you can kind of clean it out that way. Use it as a cooler, a lot of people do, so nice feature there. And then over here it has a 400-watt wall outlet and some USB plug-ins, so plenty of places to charge devices, things of that sort. And this has got the RamBox here on the side, the bed sides. They're lockable, and they lock with the keyless entry, which is nice too. Nice spot for storage if you got receivers, tow straps, things like that. Nice spot to put all that. You can hose those compartments out too. Dual exhaust coming out the back here. We also got our badging, backup cameras, rear backup sensors, and towing hitch. So let's take a look here. We got our Laramie badging, four-wheel drive badging. Here's your wiring for towing, 4-pin and 7-pin, so it's got all options there. And then your 2-inch towing receivers, your tow hook. There's your backup camera. And then this being a Laramie, you're gonna get the keyless entry, of course, but in addition to that, you're gonna get the dampening tailgate release. I love it. That's cool. Spray and bed liner here. It's a Line-X bed liner, which is name brand. They've done a good job. All that looks really good. Around to the driver's side, really everything looks excellent out here. Nice clean truck. Now financing is available. I get that question a lot from people who watch my videos. So we've created a website just for you, and I'll post it down in the description below, so check that out if you're interested in financing. All right, as we come in, we've got power driver seat and 4-way power driver lumbar. Seat looks nice. It's got the vented insert here, so you're not gonna get super hot in it on a hot day. It's gonna breathe nicely. As we come in, it only has 43,025 miles on it. Automatic headlights. Look at this. Power fold-in mirrors. And of course they're adjustable. In those mirrors there's the blind spot monitoring as well, so it's going to let you know when you're on the interstate when someone's in your blind spot. Power windows, power locks. Steering wheel's leather wrapped, has cruise control, hands-free connectivity, tuning and volume for your radio. Push button start, 8-speed automatic transmission, and then your 4-wheel drive selector's right to the left of that. It does have the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio with Sirius XM capabilities. And then let's check this out. Yeah, it's got the vented seats in it. I love that on a hot summer day. That's in the insert here where the little holes are in the seat. That's where the cool air will come up and cool your tush. Also, of course, got heated seat and heated steering wheel. You can do the vented seat and heated seat and steering wheel off those buttons right there. Climate control, it's a dual zone system. And then, yeah, check this out. It's got a built-in factory tow brake controller. So if you are towing a trailer that's got electronic brakes, this is going to allow those brakes to work. And you got your parking sensor buttons. The Rams come with a spot right here for your phone. You can actually fit probably 2 phones through there, so it keeps your phone in place. Also got another wall outlet down there, 400 water. Nice soft touch to the top here. Everything really checks out good. So nice Ram pickup, nicely equipped as well. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'd love an opportunity to chat with you. And with that, thanks for hanging out for this review. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.